Welcome back to Rough Diamond Recipes. Today's recipe is easy vegetable bake. I suppose you could call it a vegetable pancake, or even a vegetable toad in the hole. That's possible. But whatever you call it, it's tasty and easy to make. And a list of ingredients you need are on the screen now or in the description box below. Okay, the first thing you do for this recipe is grate a potato into a bowl, cover with cold water and allow it to stand until you need it. Then it's time to prepare the other vegetables. In a large bowl, and you're going to need a large bowl for this recipe, grate a carrot. Then add the diced pepper, sliced leek, chopped cabbage, finely sliced red chilli.
That's a lot of vegetables. How big's this bowl?
It's not too big, sweetheart. Mind you, if it's half the size of her mouth, we would be in trouble. Then it's the turn of the finely chopped parsley. Then it's time to turn your attention to the potatoes. Simply remove from the water, press out any excess liquid and add to the rest of the vegetables. Then it's salt and pepper to taste, a good glug of olive oil and mix together well. Then it's time to turn your attention to the batter mix. To do this, simply place 2 eggs in a suitably sized container, add a good glug of olive oil, 3 tablespoons of flour, salt to taste, and a few grains of black pepper, and not forgetting half a teaspoon of baking powder, 4 tablespoons of milk, and then whisk together well. Then when the batter is nice and lump free, pour on top of the vegetables and mix together well. A little tip here, this can be messy if you use your hands to mix it together, so get your wife to do it. Then oil an oven-proof dish well, then add the vegetable and batter mix. Spread the batter mix out into the oven-proof container. You don't want it too thick. If it's too thick, use a bigger container. And the last thing, a good grating of cheese over the top. And you should have something that looks like this. Then it's off to 180 degrees C oven for 40 to 45 minutes. And when the 45 minutes are up, you're ready to serve. As I've said, I'm not sure if this is a vegetable bake, a vegetable pancake or a vegetable toad in the hole. But it's easy to make and tasty to eat. We do hope you enjoyed this video. Feel free to subscribe, share and like, and hopefully we'll see you soon again on the next one. Bye for now.